Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate lines in Premiere Pro. So I already have a clip on my timeline right here. The next thing you're going to do is to go to the effects and we have to search for right on. Once this comes up, drag it to your clip, select your clip on the timeline and go to effect controls. From here, when we scroll down and click on right on, you should be able to see a blue circle right at the center of your video. Now go to the start of your video. And we are going to toggle the animation for the brush position, so click on the clock icon beside the brush position to add a keyframe. Once you have done that, we will drag the blue circle on where we want the animation to start from. So for example, I'm going to drag it right here. That is where I want to start the line animation. And we're going to move ahead a few seconds based on how long you want the animation to last. So I'm going to stop it right here. And we drag the blue circle on where we want it to end. So I'm just going to drag it right there. Now, if you want to make it dotted, you can increase the brush spacing right here. But first, let's see how it looks like. It looks like that. If you want to make it dotted, you can increase the brush spacing as you like. And we can zoom into the video and increase or decrease the brush spacing according to your preference. If you want it to be curved, you can click on right on in the effects and you should be able to see little blue dots right there. You can drag it and make it curved like that. And that is how you can basically animate lines in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.